Ayan lang. Takpan natin. Tsaka babalik tayo nan. Pwede na ilagay sa oven. For the meantime, I'll go get the... Oh, malapit na talaga ako malubat, guys. You know na, guys. If wala na dyan, lubat na yan, ha? Okay. Ito yung tofu natin, guys. Oh, tofu natin for today, firm. I-cut ko siya. Maybe half cook this and then I'm going to marinate this in few hours. Probably 30 minutes until this one cook, and then I cook it separately. Cheers. Alright guys, I think this is done. So I'll turn this off now. 5 minutes later, it's done. So we remove this one now. Patay na natin ang apoy, but look at this in the electricity. Sobrang ano pa ng apoy. Oh. Need na talaga namin mag-upgrade ng ano guys. Maybe one day, manalo tayo sa luto. Ng gas na big wide range na cooking ba. Para masaya. Oh, di ba? Masarap. It's sweet. Sweet talaga yung ano, Australian papaya. I mean, pumpkin. Ito na. We have to put this out now. Oh, it's really hot. Hang on, guys. I just put today because it's really, really hot. I don't want this cook my... Hang on, Baba. Stay back. So I'll get this one now. Before it will burn. Alright, everybody. It's really hard when you do live and then doing this. But I guess I'm happy to show you guys. There you go. That's how I do it. Nice and savory. So everything is here. Now I'm gonna follow the tofu, but I'm going to get the tofu done first. Marinate muna yung tofu, guys. Ito, lagyan nyo siya ng cover. Tapos pwede nyo sa i-cook. Or you can put some bit of water or just leave it like that. But to me, I just leave it like that. Okay. Lagyan na natin sa oven, guys. Ayan. Bye-bye. See you later. Make sure meron kayong gloves para hindi ka mapasok.